Searching and organizing your Google Drive is very similar to the ways you can search and organize your Gmail. In this video, we will search for files, rename them, move files into folders, and delete files that we do not need. To search your Google Drive, click in the search box at the top of the page. You can type in the file name if you know what it is, or use the search filters that are available for you. The people you communicate with most often will appear. You can select one of those contacts and search for files you share with that person. You will also see different file types appear at the bottom of the search menu. By selecting one of the file types like presentation, image, folder, you can search your drive for only the specific file type that you chose. To do an advanced search, click Advanced Search at the bottom of the menu box, and the additional filters will appear. All of these options should be familiar from Gmail. Remember, when you use the search box, by default, it will always search in all folders: My Drive, Team Drive, Shared with Me, etc. If you want to search in just one specific folder, in your advanced search options, change the location from Anywhere to the folder that you would like to search in. Periodically, cleaning up your drive by renaming, moving, and deleting files will help you find files more efficiently and will help you feel more organized. It is important to give your files specific descriptive names and to use a consistent format. Use any naming system that works for you. To rename a file in your drive, you can right-click the file name from your drive list and select Rename, or you can open the document and click the name at the top of the page. There are a few different ways to move files to a different folder. The first way is to click the file and drag and drop it into the folder in the left-hand menu, just like we moved email messages into labels. The second way is to select the file by clicking on it and then clicking the Move To icon in the upper right-hand corner. It looks like a folder with an arrow inside. The third way is to open the file and click the Move To icon next to the file name. If you would like a file to live in two different folders, you can select the file in your drive by clicking on it. Then use the shortcut keys on your keyboard, Shift and the letter Z. This will show you the other folders in your drive. You can then select the second folder or third and fourth folder that you would like this file to live in. When you're happy, click Add. If you no longer need a file or folder in your drive, you can delete that file. Using the same methods as we did to rename a file, you can delete them. When a file or folder is deleted, it will still show up in your trash folder. Files and folders in trash will stay there until you decide to permanently delete them from the trash folder.